Hi viewers, this is Emmanuel. Welcome you to another session of our series where we are trying to demonstrate to you how to use the Kakasa EFRIS to submit your transactions from QuickBooks Online to EFRIS. EFRIS is an acronym that stands for Electronic Invoicing and Fiscal Setting Solution, which is owned by Uganda Revenue Authority. In our last video, I showed you how to register opening stock through the Kakasa platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stock in, how to do a stock in through the Kakasa EFRIS from QuickBooks Online. I'm going to go back to my QuickBooks Online account. I'm going to create a bill. We are doing stock in, a purchase. So I'm going to create a bill. I'm going to choose a supplier. Let's say Kikuo. I'm not going to use the category-based bill. You're supposed to create an item-based bill. So I'm going to select my demo product. Remember, this demo product at EFRIS has 100 pieces. So I'm going to specify what I'm purchasing. Even my QuickBooks has 100, so I'm going to specify I'm buying 200 extra, and the rate is 3,000. You can specify whether it has a tax or it doesn't have a tax, doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll just leave it, then I click on save and close. Okay, it requires us to specify a tax. Just specify any, click save and close. Having done this, I'm going to come to my Kakasa. This is how the Kakasa looks like. Being that what I want is coming from QuickBooks, I'll go to QuickBook Reports. I will click on Purchases. And you'll see something like this. I'm going to click Fetch, showing you there is a new purchase in QuickBooks that has not been synced, and this is its ID. I will click on Fetch Purchase from QBO. It will list it here. And this here is our purchase. You realize we didn't add the reference number in QuickBooks. I can quickly modify this. in QuickBooks. I go back to bill, and then I'm going to go back to the previous one, the last created. I'm going to enter my reference number. For some of you to keep track of your transactions, you can use the FDN of the invoice the supplier gave to you. So I'm going to save that. Then I come back to my purchases and click on fetch from QBO, and here is the reference number. So after that, I'm going to select this purchase. Then I'm going to update the stocking type. Let's say I want a local purchase. I will click OK. Then to load the page, and after this, I'm going to click on Add Stock button. Successfully increased. So when I come back to URA, and go stock management and go to stock inquiry, then I click on search, it will give me the entire list, but now I want a product name called demo. So you can now see we have 300 pieces. Thank you for watching.